In the bustling city of Philadelphia, a man named Charles Jackson stood at the threshold of a new era. A dentist by trade, he was a man of unrelenting curiosity and a tireless seeker of innovation. One fateful day, in a small dental office tucked away on Sansom Street, Jackson found himself faced with a daunting task. His patient, a terrified young woman named Phebe Ann Coffin Hanlon, lay on the dentist's chair, her face contorted with fear, as Jackson prepared to extract a troublesome tooth. The procedure was grueling, the screams of his patients echoing through the narrow corridors of the office. But on this day, Jackson had a plan. A plan that would change the course of medical history forever. In his pocket, he clutched a small vial. Inside was a mysterious concoction, a liquid so potent it could render a person unconscious. This was ether, a substance first discovered by the great Michael Faraday, but now, in the hands of Jackson, it was about to be put to a test beyond anyone's wildest imagination. With a steady hand, Jackson lifted the vaporizer, careful not to spill a single drop. He placed the mouthpiece close to Hanlon's nose, and with a deep breath, she inhaled the ethereal vapor. The room fell silent. Jackson watched, his heart pounding, as Hanlon's body relaxed, her screams replaced by a deep, peaceful stillness. He could hardly believe his eyes. The first use of anesthesia was a success. Word of Jackson's miraculous discovery spread like wildfire. Doctors from all over the country flocked to Philadelphia, eager to learn from the man who had dared to challenge the status quo. The impact of anesthesia was immediate and profound. Surgeries that once filled hospitals with cries of torment now were performed in relative silence. Pain, it seemed, had been conquered, and medicine was forever changed. But the story of anesthesia's first use is not just a tale of innovation. It is also a testament to the courage of Phebe Ann Coffin Hanlon, who willingly subjected herself to an unknown substance for the greater good. And it is a reminder of the indomitable spirit of Charles Jackson, who dared to dream of a world free from the agony of surgery. In the annals of medical history, the first use of anesthesia stands as a beacon of hope, a shining example of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. It is a story that continues to inspire us today, a testament to the power of curiosity and the unyielding human spirit.